See how to build AI chatbots using Google Gemini. So Google has actually recently released their AI model Gemini along with the API capabilities, which allows you to build AI chatbots for your business using their powerful model. So here, to get, first of all, you have to get your API keys. To get your API keys, you can simply click on get API key in Google AI Studio. So here, first of all, you have to visit ai.google.dev and click on this particular link to get your API keys. And here I am already in our account, so in a demo account with these 3 channels or 4 channels connected over here. So here I am in the Google AI Studio. So here you will have the option to create the API keys. So you can also create your own API keys. So here we already have some API key created. So let me simply use that one, copy this one, and simply go to the settings in your account. So go to settings, click on settings, and here in the integrations you will find Google Gemini, and it's in beta mode at the moment. So click on connect, and you have to simply plug in your API keys right here. So I have just pasting the API keys, and you will have all these options, and here you can choose the model as well, along with the temperature and the tokens. Those kind of things are possible as well. So click continue over here, and it's now connected. So here in this place or in this area, in the business information, you have to enter whatever the business information you want to have here. So let me go to the knowledge base doc, and let me simply click copy this knowledge base or business information about Yoga Studio. So let me simply copy this information and here paste it. That's it. And let's say you are a helpful assistant to this particular Yoga Harmony Studio as well. And here you can simply click continue. And make sure you have activated this automated response so that we can use whatever the business information prompted or pasted over here when answering the chatbot questions. So simply save it. And so now we can actually quickly test this one. So we can actually test this particular AI chatbot powered by Google Gemini in one of these channels. So let's test this on the Instagram channel over here. So let me share my phone screen over here, and let me open this particular window where we have the business information too. So here I am in the Instagram over here, and let me simply send a message over here, hi, and see how this actually respond to us. So this particular business information about a yoga studio, let's see what happens. So it says, welcome to Yoga Studio, a sanctuary, tranquility and vitality. How may I assist you today on your yoga journey today? So it simply respond to us over here. So let's actually ask a question about, so here single class drop-in cost $20. So let me ask, how much is for single class drop-in? And let's see how this actually respond to us. It should say it cost $20. Our single class drop-in fee is $20. This allows you to experience the transformative benefits of yoga in a welcoming and supportive environment. Our experienced instructors will guide you through the balanced practice that caters your individual needs, whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner. Would you like to book a class today or embark on your yoga? It simply asks for the customer to book a class as well. So here you can actually ask other questions as well. So let me ask, where are you located? So it should respond to us with this address, 123 Serenity Lane, Austin, Texas. So let's see how this actually respond to us. Your Harmony Studio is conveniently located at this particular location, and it simply respond to us. So if you feel the responses are actually long, or it actually has a lot of sentences over here, we might try adjusting the prompt over here. So here for now it says, you are a helpful assistant to Yoga Studio and respond to any customer questions in just one sentence. Any question in just one sentence. So let me adjust the prompt right here and see how we actually get the responses back here. And make sure you activate this one as well and click save. So now we can actually test this again as well. So here I have just sent the same question again, where are you located? And it's initially it's in this sort of message. Now when I ask this same question, where are you located, it simply respond to us with just one sentence. So we can actually test the same thing with other questions as well. So now the responses should be, we are getting in just one sentence, because we actually adjust the prompt asking the bot to respond in just one sentence, and it simply respond to us in just one sentence over here. Not sure if you have the website. So here in the email we have the website. So it simply captured the website from this particular email and simply says this is the website. You see here the Google Gemini AI simply respond to us whatever the question we actually asked using the business information right here. Likewise, you can actually implement the same AI chatbot powered by Google Gemini AI for your business as well. And if you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.